Okay, so what you are seeing here is that this mask has been scaled down to 80%. So let me, yeah, 80% because I already measured the distance between the tip of my nose and the tip of my ear. So, and I measured it, it measures around 6 inches. And so I rescale that based on that range, and so I got around 80% scale. So now I'm printing it down. Here you can see printing it down, and basically you can see a lot of stringing right there. That is because I don't enable retraction, because if I enable retraction, the printing process will take about 1 day 3 hours to complete the whole process. So I just disable retraction, and this print time will finish for about 17 hours. So that's quite a lot of time that I can save. So let's wait for the mask to complete. Okay, so the mask has been printed completely, and it took about 17 hours to complete this printing process, and now you can see it is really beautiful. So I'm going to detach this, and I'm going to clear all of the stringing, and maybe I'm going to sand it a bit. So after that I'm going to fit it in my face. Okay, so this is the mask. Well, actually I didn't completely remove the support material, which is the tiny excess material, but I'm just going to show you that, okay, this is actually the size of my face, but then I cannot fit it in, and you can see there's a bit of gap there. So I can't fit it in because this part is, you know, like just a bit thin. It's crushing my cheek. So I'm going to heat this up, and I'm going to push it outwards so it will fit my face. So we are going to use a hot air gun to do that. Yeah, so stay tuned. Okay, so after sanding process is done, so you can see here from the outside it looks shiny, and I prefer it to be this way. I don't want to paint it down because it looks pretty cool. And as you can see from the inside, everything looks clean. So okay, after doing some tweaking, you can see that the shape has been, you know, like changed a bit just to fit my face. So as I said before, just apply heat using hot air gun, and you just adjust the shape, and then now you can see that it fits my face really well, just like this. Yeah, so you can see that there's only small gap right there. So in order to fill those gaps, what I did is I just glued the small tube right there, so to make it like airtight, and thus it gave me a comfortable feeling when I wear this mask. So next process is to make a hole on this end here, to attach maybe rope. I don't know, I think I will just use a rope, and yeah, I will attach a filter right there in the ventilation area, and that's it. So this is how it looks like when I'm wearing this mask, and yeah, it looks pretty cool. You can see from the side. Yeah, so just if I drop it down like this, yeah, it's pretty cool. So if you enjoy watching my video, please leave a comment, give a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.